Alright, hey guys, this is Sunny here on day one of the O2 ride, which is the Octaves and Octane ride. We are starting out on an 8,000 kilometers road trip around India, going clockwise from Delhi, Calcutta to Chennai and back to Delhi. This is the first day. I'm really excited. We are going around India celebrating music and motorcyclists who are also musicians. So, without wasting any more time, let me introduce you people who will be riding in this road trip. Here's Shubham. Next up is Manan Chaturvedi. So, this is Sunil Gupta.
I'm Kartik Gupta. तू ही जिंदगी है, तू ही मेरी मोहब्बत है, तेरे ही पैरों में जन्नत है, तू ही दिल, तू जा, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम.
Hello guys, this is Kartik Jetli. ਦਿੱਲੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਦਿਲ ਵਾਲੋ ਦੀ ਇਹ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਦੇਸ਼ ਇੰਜ ਹੈਗੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਕਰੋੜੋਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਇਹਦੀ ਜਾਨ ਨਾਲੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਇਹਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਨ ਇਹਦੀ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਅਭੀ ਵੀ ਭਰੀਆਂ ਕਸੇਟਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਦੂਜੀ ਚੰਗੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਪਾਨ ਤਾਂ ਯੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਜ਼ੁਬਾਨ.
Alright guys, here I am live again from the Red FM studio in Noida, and Red FM is our radio partner for the O2 ride, and there's a very special person behind me. Most of you probably know who he is if you listen to radio, and he's RJ, rider jockey Sachin. No, sorry, radio jockey Sachin, right?
Riding, radio, सब कुछ same इनके लिए, but ये भी हवा में रहते हैं और even I'm on air right now, but very very happy that the entire XPHP team is here. In fact, they're preparing for the O2 ride, 8,000 kilometers. How are they going to cover various cities? I think it's a mammoth task, but they are doing it passionately because they love it. Just like I love doing radio, I love being on air. So they'll be on the road for you guys.
I'm standing in front of the Bikers Cafe. So we are on day 2 of the O2 ride. So guys, these guys will be playing for you live.
And right now we are here somewhere in the middle. Met these wonderful musicians over here, folk musicians, and I'm just trying to jam along with these guys and let's see how it comes. चले यारों साथ जुड़ने चले. Right on! Cheers to O2 ride, cheers to our grand fielders, cheers to XBHP.
Good morning. So this is day 3 of the O2 ride. So today we'll be reaching Varanasi, and then tomorrow Asansol, and then day after it's Calcutta. There were a few bikers who flagged us down, and apparently they knew about the ride, and they are from Lucknow.
Love for you people. I had to meet you people. You're like an inspiration for me. You're like the reason I started biking in the first place.
So it's great to kind of meet up once again.
Guys, so right now we have stopped in the middle of the highway, but the main action is happening somewhere over there.
Now. यारो दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है. Thanks a lot, man. We are having an amazing time over here.
Hey guys, we are here in Asansol, just 200 kilometers away from Kolkata, where we'll be going tomorrow to attend the India Speed Week.
सो गया ये जहां, सो गया आसमां, सो गई है सारी मंजिलें, है सारी मंजिलें, सो गया है रास्ता.
We have a great welcome here by Shankar and his team and the FMSC team here, Falcon Motorsports in Bardhaman.
The XBHP gave us the platform from where we started flourishing.
Now we are here in a place called Bardhaman, which is a very small town with people with big hearts. The star of the movement, the man, is actually in front of me. Here's Rohan, and as you can see, he's wearing a Superman t-shirt and he's got a Gixxer 1000, which is also a superbike.
So I'm participating in India Speed Week drag race, and I'll be participating in M8 category. The love for biking was from the very beginning. I remember my childhood days when my maternal uncle used to make me sit on the tank and take me for a ride. My initial thought that time was, बड़े होके bike चलाऊंगा. So that was more of a story, and then later on devised ways, how to ride a bike. Tried everything from ropes to pressure cooker gaskets. More of a trial and error method. Some worked, some didn't. One fine day I was moving the dishes with my left hand, and that was my eureka moment. And you know what, since then no looking back, and I'm riding on the roads.
This is pretty insane.
Fastest cars and bikes.
Amit Kumar Modi and the charming Mr. Anil Kapoor. Ekdam chaka chaka.
John himself. Thank you so much, John.
Thanks, Sunny.
We're
Very happy to be here.
actually-
It's nice to see something like this that's happening in Kolkata.
Yeah.
And we all support XBHP.
Thank you so much.
This is Swapnil from Kolkata.
I'm Rahul from Kolkata.
My name is Shantan.
Falling out of fire and faded till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69.
Alright guys, so I'm live again from Calcutta, and I didn't expect this to happen. But before we leave for Bhubaneswar tomorrow on the O2 ride, we had the pleasure of meeting another motor musician. She's a vocalist. Every time I let go of the motorcycle, this song feels appropriate for that. Now this is what Mishti is going to sing over here.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'll be. I remember you said sometimes in life
live once more from Calcutta, and this is our last day in the city of joy. And what a wonderful past 3 days we had with the India Speed Week. There are two very special people, in fact three, who have joined us on the O2 ride here.
Well, my name is Deepak Kamath.
Puneet, what are your impressions about the India Speed Week?
And there was an amazing crowd, which was like beyond expectations. And the drags and the fun and flooring, the spirits, the adrenaline running high, it was amazing.
പായെല്ലൊരു പറന്നെല്ലു പൊലിച്ച് കാതു കൊത്താനെപ്പോ വരും നിന്നങ്ങളമാരു പൊന്നേ കാതു കൊത്താനെപ്പോ വരും നിന്നങ്ങളമാരു പൊന്നേ
अरे कोई अच्छा सा सुना दो जिसको सुनकर मेरा दोस्त कहे बाय गॉड दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet, take your aim. Far away, you shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. എന്നെ മണ്ണോട് കലന്തു വിട്
तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं
നീനവേ നീനവേ അന്ത് എന്നോട് കലന്തു വിട്
That was lovely singing with you.
Same here, Manan bhai.
I was enjoying this weather, this full moon, almost full moon.
And like you said, quite romantic.
Yeah.
Sad is you by my side.
So hi guys, right now we are in Vizag, a beautiful place, and we are heading towards our next destination, that is Vijayawada. And I must tell you, this is the reason why everybody who is passing through this particular area must stop. Just look around. Left side you will see the beach, and on the right side you see us little mountains. So let's go down and meet the V Super Bikers. We have Sean here. Hi Sean, how are you? I first of all like to congratulate you for your winning and the victory at India Speed Week.
In the two-wheelers, I won second place in the 1000cc category on my BMW S1000 RR.
Yeah.
And coming to four-wheelers, I won the Indian Open first place and the unrestricted third place.
I am Srikanth. Me and Sean started this group way back in 2011.
And you work with Telugu movies, right?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
So what all Telugu movies you have already done?
I've done close to 35 feature films in Telugu. Wow. Which 27 of them have released and 8 are yet to be released. Me and some friends from college, we made a video for YouTube and that went viral with 9 million hits over YouTube. So since then, yeah, I became a full-time comedian in the Telugu film industry.
We have seen some cool moves done by you. Yeah.
ఈ పేటకు నేనే మేస్త్రి నిరుపేదల పాలిట పెన్నిది ఈ పేటకు నేనే మేస్త్రి నిరుపేదల పాలిట పెన్నిది కాయా కష్టం ఎరుగని వాళ్ళకు ఖబర్దారు బస్తి అనేనే ముఠా మేస్త్రి.
My name is Gunjan and I love bikes and I love playing music. So here we go. Come on, turn the radio on, it's Friday.
gotta do your hair. Put your petrols on, it's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta hit the highway, I got all I need. I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills, having fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills, having fun tonight.
Good morning. We are en route from Hyderabad to Vijayawada, and then we're going to hit the coast and go down towards Chennai tomorrow.
Oh hi, my name is Parag. I'm a percussionist from Pune.
Right now we are in Vijayawada, and there are a lot of bikers who have come to see us, and they're going to ride with us.
I am Ajay and I am the founder of the Andhra Super Bikers Club.
We are in Chennai. So as you can see behind me, I am at the Spartan Pro Gear headquarters. I think they are doing a wonderful job of providing high quality, affordable riding gear around India. Beautiful designs, beautiful stuff here. A lot of riding gear to choose from. To talk about more of exactly what do they have, I'll actually have to go to Mr. Sunny Silva.
Yeah, we've been in the market for about 6 years. Our focus has been to give the Indian biker products that he can actually afford, and products which are actual certified products.
We are in Chennai, our last day here, and we've got two gentlemen with us. Mr. Bhardwaj, who is a beatboxer amongst many things else. And yes, as we all know, Mr. Parag.
Do not try this at home.
Good afternoon. Right now I'm in a very special place. This is called Krishnagiri. Most importantly, there's one gentleman here who's always been what you call an inspiration to many bikers across the country. So here's Dr. Nanda Kumar.
It's been a pleasure having you again here at Krishnagiri amongst Wheel Wanderers and 24 Bikers community.
So guys, so we are surrounded with a lot of bikers here, and there are also musicians who are going to compete with Mr. Parag, who is the motor musician here.
Was electrifying. We haven't experienced anything like this before. Like you said, we are all sweating, but you know, it was so much fun. I'm gonna remember this day for the rest of my life for sure.
Alright guys, good evening. One more day on the O2 ride, and right now we are in Bangalore. But in front of me there are a lot of Bangalore ex-BHPians and bikers. Joe, it's always a pleasure to meet you whenever we are here, and obviously you take care of the beasts.
Biking should be done with a true spirit, and it should be done with proper riding gear.
Yeah, hi. This is Harish. Ride safe.
Godspeed, have a great ride.
Sam, welcome to Bangalore.
Welcome to Bangalore.
Welcome to Bangalore, Sunny.
Welcome to Bangalore.
I'm Sakib from XBHP Bangalore.
It's Ajit. Best of luck.
That's all from me. Welcome to Bangalore again.
I'm Anurag for Team Best Bangalore. Ride safe, ride hard.
Hi, my name is Chinmay Nadig.
Hey guys, I'm Rishabh. Hi guys, this is Gurjeet here.
दो लफ्ज की है बात एक ही है क्यों दरमियां फिर रुकी रुकी कह भी न पाए रह भी न पाए क्यों बेवजह है ये बेबसी तुम में हम है हम में तुम हो तुमसे हम है हमसे तुम हो किस्मतों से मिलते हैं दो दिल यहाँ हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में
We're in Mumbai and today is Christmas and everyone's partying and it's all fun. So Christmas reminds me of my harmonica.
Good evening from Bombay, and this happens to be Bharadwaj, and these guys are going to beatbox, and Yogesh, behind me, he's going to play a guitar over there. So while they park the motorcycle, let me actually go inside.
Hi, I'm Yogesh Sharma. I've been riding since I was 14. 1, 2, 3, start.
रहता हूँ यादों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ चाहत में तेरी अब गुजरते नहीं यादें कटती नहीं तस्वीर से बात बनती नहीं तो न न न न न ला 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 ला
And we thought that before heading up to Rascals over there, we thought that we'll have a little pre-warm jam right here. Hey guys, we are live once more from Vadodara after that scintillating ride in the morning. But here, I'm in front of a 100-year-old Haveli, which is obviously flanked by this amazing Indian motorcycle, which is itself is more than a 100-year-old brand. So now we have with us Karthik Gupta with vocals and on the guitar.
I would like to add up a song to this beautiful location and our small detour.
Re ga ga re ga ga re ga ga re ga ga re sa re re sa re re sa re 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 ni sa 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 pa ma ga.
Hi guys, I'm Maitreya Marfadia from Ahmedabad, and there are wonderful bikers of Ahmedabad over here.
Hi guys, I'm Vishal, and well, this place is called Excess Overland. We welcome XBHB guys. Thanks a lot for coming here, and let's have a good time.
And today we're gonna hit Udaipur, the city of lakes. It's a very beautiful city, and over there we have a little bit of a surprise. In fact, it's a big opportunity for us also in Udaipur, and let's hope for the best. Good morning guys, I'm in the city of lakes here in Udaipur and Rajasthan on the O2 ride. This is our almost penultimate day. Tomorrow we reach Jaipur and then finally to Delhi after 8,000 kilometers. This had been a wonderful journey so far, but nothing actually beats the location at which we are right now. This is the City Palace, one of the finest palaces in India, and it reeks of royalty, as you can see behind me. It's so grand. Here are the machines, here's the landscape in front of the City Palace here, which looked absolutely grand and majestic. But right now, as we wait for the prince, I thought that I'll show you the site that we have created here with the machines from his stable. Here we go. So these are the machines from the royal stable here. We just saw you have quite a few machines here. Lakshya ji, which is your favorite machine here? Because I see around 15 of them.
Oh well, I think some of the cool brands are here. I think it's very much a personal flavor and a personal mood on the day that when you're out, you want to go and have some pakoras next door, then it's a completely different machine. You want to go out on a long haul, then it's a different machine. You want to be cool with someone while being safe, then it's a different machine.
How about which machine has its day today?
So I think today, if you specifically ask me, I think this is something that I would say or suggest or recommend.
Who's gonna sit besides you here?
Oh, that is $1 million question. Somebody who I enjoy, somebody who I have a lot of fun with, somebody who I can laugh with.
Great. Another question, please. Which is your favorite destination to ride in India and outside of India on a motorcycle?
As far as you're on a bike, the destination automatically becomes beautiful. Wherever you may be, that destination is just wonderful. As I said, free-spirited traveler, that's the philosophy we believe in. Once you got your beast with you, you got your machine with you, you got your partner with you, which I mean in form of a machine with you, the destination is wonderful. You need to look at it from that lens.
Good evening, once more from Udaipur. This is our penultimate day on the O2 ride. And right now I'm in front of a very special place which is owned by one of the ex-BHPians and a motorcyclist called the Chocolate Room. Atmosphere here is quite lively because there are a lot of people who have gathered here.
I am Naman.
And you are the son of the owner of Chocolate Room. And he's actually been so nice always. So why did you choose to actually come up with this Chocolate Room here in Udaipur?
See, it's a concept which I always thought I'm going to meet people like you. So, getting into a community, getting and meeting people was all that I liked. And I'm enjoying it.
Alright guys, good afternoon once more. We are on the penultimate day of the O2 ride, and we are headed out to Jaipur today, and tomorrow it's Delhi. So we've covered around 7,200 kilometers odd, and we are at this beautiful highway. The bikes are doing fine, so are the riders. But here we thought that we'll stop a little while and do a little bit of a jam.
उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ आशाएं खिले उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी.
Good afternoon, guys. One more day on the O2 ride, but unfortunately this is the last day. We started around 24 days ago from Delhi, and today we are going to reach back to Delhi after 8,000 kilometers on the road with a lot of music, after meeting a lot of people. So what are your feelings after doing 8,000 kilometers, especially you were riding the Chief Vintage all the time?
Yeah, see, I'm happy as well as I'm sad. Sad because this entire ride is coming to an end. Happy because I'm going back to the family.
Like Manan said, it's a happy and sad moment. Because happy because yeah, we are finally going home, and sad because it was such an interesting ride that we did. We mixed two passions, music and riding.
What are your feelings after this trip? It's last day.
I don't want it to end. I mean, can we do it like other way around again? I would love to do that again.
You know what, this has given me more motivation to do something else after this, but this has to end like everything else. So 250 kilometers, the last 250 kilometers from here to Delhi, and we'll have the whole full circle complete. Crossing over to 2017, I wish we do many more things, many countries, make more friends, and have more experiences altogether. But I have to say goodbye for now because we gotta hit the road. And ride safe and keep playing.
Let your motor running. Head out on the highway, looking for adventure. Whatever comes my way. Yeah, darling, gonna make it happen. Take the world in a love embrace. Fire all your guns at once and explode into space. I like smoke and lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind, feeling that I'm under. Yeah, darling, gonna make it happen. Take the world in a love embrace. Fire all your guns at once and explode into space. Like a true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can climb so high, never gonna die. Born to be wild, born to be wild. Woo! Let your motor running. Head out on the highway, looking for adventure. Whatever comes my way. Yeah, darling, gonna make it happen. Take the world in a love embrace. Fire all your guns at once and explode into space. Like a true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can climb so high, never gonna die. Born to be wild.